Hi everybody. I'm still as nervous as I was the first day I got here. But hey, I'm glad to see our managers being here. We happy, and I'm not a person that likes giving speech. But all I could say is that I know I can.
Yes.
And I've learned that I can.
Yes.
And I know I will moving forward. One thing that I've learned is that I made good friends, and I learned to stand in front of people and be able to talk as nervous as I sound, but there's this little goal in the back of my voice, that's in the back of my mind, that's saying you can do it.
Yes.
Growing up, I never liked being a center of attraction. I never liked being in the middle of people because I'm just that person that did not want to be a center of attraction. I did not want a 16th birthday. I did not want a 21st birthday. My first graduation, I went alone. Second graduation, I went alone. The third graduation, that's when I actually learned to, to say that let me rather invite my mom, of which I did. And it was awesome. And seeing you here today with us makes me happy.